Feeling overwhelmed by all the new AI tools? You're not alone. So many options can make even starting feel impossible. The chaos looks impossible when you try to learn everything at once. Your brain gets overloaded and you freeze. But here's the trick. You only need one tool at a time. Focusing on just one makes it manageable and less intimidating. Start small. Just click, explore, and experiment. Tiny wins matter more than perfection. Each small interaction builds confidence and curiosity, and before you know it, learning becomes fun instead of stressful. Make it a weekly habit. Try one new AI tool per week. Consistency beats intensity every time. Share your tiny wins. Knowledge spreads faster than you think, and others benefit from your simple experiments too. Small weekly experiments stack up over time into real skills, slowly turning overwhelm into capability. Don't worry about mastering everything at once. Play, explore, and allow mistakes. That's how growth happens. One tool at a time keeps you relevant without stress, letting you stay current without burning out. Track your growth visually. Tiny sparks accumulate into noticeable progress over time, and it feels rewarding. Reframe relevance as playful exploration, not pressure. Approach learning as curiosity, not a chore. Move forward, step by step, one tool at a time, and watch your knowledge compound effortlessly. Others will follow your lead if you keep it simple. Your small actions can inspire a whole group. Stay relevant. One tool a week. Small steps, tiny wins, big impact over time.